Today guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-register ang iyong smart na prepaid and postpaid, token text, and Sun na SIM card under sa SIM card registration app. And I'll just quickly walk you through on the steps na kailangan nyo gawin to be able to register it correctly. Tara, simulan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond, the Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So ito na, finally, it's here, ang smart na registration. So it has started already today, December 27. So register your SIM card in 3 easy steps for smart. So visit smart.com.ph/simreg or scan the QR code here. Then input your information, wait for an SMS confirmation to get your free 3 gigs of data. Simple. So sa postpaid subscribers, it's pretty easy. Just text YES, yes, capital, to 5858 using your smart postpaid number. And pag text nyo sa number na ito, in a while you'll be getting a confirmation na, okay, you're successful na. So just wait for a while. I think it's a bit congested as of the moment. So after mo mag-text ng yes to 5858, you'll be receiving a confirmation like this. Thank you for sending us your confirmation. Your postpaid SIM is now registered. To know more, pwede mo i-visit ang smart.ph/simregfaqs. So itong next tutorial natin will work for lahat ng prepaid ni under sa smart network. So be it smart, sun, and token text. So pasok lang kayo dito sa website ito, simreg.smart.com.ph, and I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Then of course, step 1, get your PIN. So start the registration here. What you need to do here is input mo ang iyong mobile number. Next is to press send OTP PIN. Pindutin mo na itong green button. Then, antay lang kayo. In a few moments, makakatanggap ka ng OTP PIN. So, maka-receive ka ng text from Smart Network giving you the 6-digit na OTP PIN. Ito yon. So, all you need to do is copy and paste. After that, just verify OTP. Success, sasabihin na sa'yo, your mobile number was successfully verified. Then, antay mo next step. Pindutin mo lang. Dito sa next step, itatype mo lahat ng kailangan ng information sa'yo for your SIM card registration. So, you have here type of registration. Just click drop down. I'm registering my old SIM, kung old SIM. Then, new SIM, kung new SIM. Kung minor, i-declare niya lang. Nationality, Filipino. Now, for IDs, ang dami mo pwede pagpilian. Passport, SSS ID, driver's license, PRC ID, voter's ID, Unified Multi-Purpose Identification Card, Tax Identification Card, PIN ID, Postal ID, BIR na ID, Firearm License to Own na ID, GSIS na ID, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID, NBI na clearance, other valid ID document with photo, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration ID sa OWA, then person PWD, Philippine Identification Card, Police Clearance, and Senior Citizen Card. So next thing to do is to upload your valid ID. So select ka lang dito sa files mo, no? So mine being this one, dahil nag-error kanina yung driver's license. Then of course, upload your selfie. It's a very easy thing to do. Let's upload this one. Itong ganitong selfie. Photo with yung ID na hawak mo. Then, input mo yung identification card number mo. Then, kailangan mo input first name, middle name, and of course, yung last name. Next is to input your birthday, then hit next. So, next hingin sa'yo is your address information. Number ng bahay mo, street, village, unit or floor, building, kung anong province ka, anong city ka, anong barangay ka, and anong zip code mo. So, hingin sa'yo ang iyong alternate contact number and email address. So, makikita mo ang summary ng lahat ng in-input mo dito sa buong process. So, next na kailangan mo gawin is to simply check this one and check this one and click next. So, after mo may register ng tama ang iyong SIM card ng Smart, TNT, and of course, Sun, you'll be able to receive a message like this. We have successfully received your SIM card registration form and ito yung control number mo. We will contact you if you need further details. So, ito na ang final page. So, kailangan mo makita to, ang thank you message niya. Thank you for registering your SIM. So, right now, fully activated or fully registered ng iyong SIM card. Now guys, kung alam nyo may mga kaibigan kayo na ka-smart, sun, token text, do share this video to them para makapag-register sila na maayos dito sa SIM card registration law or SIM card registration act of the Philippines. So if you're looking for Globe, TM, and GOMO SIM na registration, link up here. And if you're also looking for dito na SIM card registration na process, link also up here. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala Sir Shuman, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick.